Students, in today's session we are talking about a string. What is a string and elaboration of a string that we are going to see. A string is nothing but, already you know, it is one type of data type in Python programming language, and a string is sequence of characters, numbers, or sometimes special symbols which is enclosed in single quote or double quote in Python programming language. Also, in anything that we are going to write in single quote or double quote, that refers to a string, generally a string. Now a string is nothing but it is what? Character or combination of characters, or combination of characters, numbers, special symbols, like that. Every character or each character of a string is stored in contiguous location in memory, or you can say individual characters in contiguous location in memory location. So uh, for interpreting of that particular character, Python is having indexing provision, and this is what? For index, and this is responsible to index particular characters of particular characters in memory location in a string data type. So there are two way of indexing. First one is what? Forward indexing, and second one is backward indexing. Forward indexing is nothing but it is what? Left to right, and backward indexing is right to left. Suppose one example I have given, this is what? String. One string I have written Python Python. This is a string, and each of the character is stored in particular location in memory. And if I am talking about forward indexing is starting from 0 and till then, and this is what? Continuous till then the last character 0 1 2 3 4 5. Backward indexing is starting from -1 till then the last character or ending character, -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6. So this is what is indexing provision in a string. Now next is what? Function. Next is what? There is one function is there in a string to finding out the length of a string, and that function is length. And we are writing len parenthesis, under parenthesis string we have to write for finding out the length of that particular string. Suppose an example, I have written x is equal to room, and len length function under parenthesis x, so it will give output 1 2 3 4 4. Length of this particular string is what? 4, so output will be 4. Now because of string, already we know that a string is immutable data type. Immutable is nothing but it is what? You can't change the value in particular location in whole program. So you can't change the particular value in any place. So if I am writing name is variable, and the variable assigned the particular string value, and the string value is what? hello. If I am going to change, if I am going to write p in place of h, and h index is what? 0. So if I am writing name 0 equal to under square bracket 0 equal to p, so here I am trying to replace the value, and in place of h I'm trying to write p, but this is not possible because this data type is immutable data type. We can't change the value, so it will give what? Error. Next is traversing a string. Traversing refers to iterating through the elements of a string one character at a time. This is what? Iteration through the elements of a string. It means what? Character of a string, particular character of a string, or whatever has been written in a string, character, digits. So according to this characters of a string, and in particular iteration one character at a time it will print. So suppose here I have given an example, x equal to hello, and for a in x, a is nothing but what? Variable control for iteration. For particular iteration, here I am variable control is what? A in x is what? A string. So in in each iteration the element of a string will be printing. So suppose for first iteration h is element, second iteration e, then l, then o. If you want to print between the characters, you can print, just you have to write variable control and thereafter any character or symbol or special symbol, then, and it is already we have seen this function is for the same line, so the output will be h special symbol e special symbol l o special symbol. This is what? In continuous, and one character at a time. For each iteration it will print h, then a special symbol, then e a special symbol, like that. Now next is what? String operator. This is nothing but operators in strings. The function of operators in a string, it is what? Manipulating the string in multiple ways. So there are uh, four types in a string, four types of operators we are going to see in a string. First is what? Concatenation operator, and the symbol of concatenation is plus. Example, it is nothing but for joining the for joining the multiple string. Suppose hello I have written, then plus, then India, so it will join hello and India. Plus is for joining hello and India, so the output will be hello India. Replication operator is nothing but it is what? For repeating the word, for repeating the string multiple times in whatever times you have given. According to that it will repeat the string in same line. Suppose 3 asterisk high is a string, 3 is what? Number that I have given for repeating. So 3 asterisk is what? Operator symbol. It is what? Symbol. 3 asterisk high, so high is 3 times without any space high, or you can write, there are two ways for writing 3 asterisk operand 3 asterisk high, this high string, or high asterisk 3. If you can any of these two you can apply for in your program. 3 asterisk high asterisk 3, two ways I have written, any you can follow, any of these two you can follow. Next is membership operator, and membership operator is nothing but it is for existing. If substring is existing in a string, so value is true. If not existing, value is false. there are two operators. First is in, second is not in. First is in, second is non. Here I have given an example, two example I have given. A in here. So if A is existing in here, this substring is existing in this string, so where the output will be true. If not existing, output will be false. Joe in here, so Joe is not existing in here, so the value will be false. False, because Joe is not in this string. Now next is what? Comparison operator. Comparison for finding out the relationship between the string. So A equal to A, true. ABC, small abc equal to capital ABC, because this is small and this is capital, so value will be, the return value will be false. Now some functions we are going to see. First one is what? Order. Ord parenthesis. This is what returns the ASCII value of a character. If I am writing some character or some special symbol or some digit, the order function will return the ASCII value of, or the Unicode of, this particular character of digit or a special symbol. And char is what? If you are writing the value, it will return the, it will return character. If you are writing the ASCII value or Unicode value under parenthesis, it will return the corresponding letter or digits, it will return. Now next is string slice. String slice refers to part of a string containing some contiguous character from the string. This is nothing but, this is what? Writing substring, which is what? Part of a string. Writing substring from particular index to particular last index. Suppose here one string I have written x equal to hello world. Between hello and world one space is there. So what will be the indexing? Forward indexing 0 1 2 3 4 5, 5 for space, 6 7 8 9 10. So if I want to find out substring from 6 to 10, so 6 index world is W, and 10 last is what? 10 index world is D. So output will be WRLD. Now next is what? X 3 colon minus 2. 3 colon minus 2 in the sense 3, where is 3? 3 from forward indexing 3 is here L, and from backward indexing minus 2 is what? Last. So L from right to left minus 2 is L, so 3 to minus 2, so output will be LO space WORL according to this. Now next is what? X 6 colon. So from starting point is 6 and ending is till the end. 6 colon in the sense starting point is 6 and ending till the end. Now X colon 6, starting point is beginning but ending with 6 indexed word. So this is what? So this is what? 6. So HELLO space W. Now some important facts about finding out substring. Any substring that belongs to S under square bracket colon n plus S n colon under a square bracket will give original string. Whatever index you have given in place of n, it will return original string. Suppose an example, I have written word colon 3 plus word 3 colon, so it will give original string. Now next is what? String double colon minus 1. It means it will reverse the string value. It will reverse the string value. Whatever you have written, it will give reverse value of that particular string. Double colon minus 1. Now next is what? If s is equal to hello, and for hello the forward index is what? 0 1 2 3 4. The length of this is what? The length of the length is 5, but indexing is starting from 0 and ending with 4. In case of this string, if I am going to print s5, means fifth indexed value, so it will give error because here the ending indexed word is o, which is 4. Now next is what? S equal to hello starting from 4 and ending from 8, but here 0 1 2 3 4 is starting from 4. 0 is 0, it will print, but the length of this is what? Last index is 4, which is what which is what? O, not 0, which is what? O. Last index is what? O 4, which is O, and after O no character will be present in this string. So no characters are present here, so the output will be O followed by empty string. Next is what? S is equal to hello, so it will give empty string because s 5 colon 8, this is what? Fifth characters are not present here, and also 5th to 8th not present here, so this will give empty string. Now next is what? We can give third optional index, say n, in string. Nth element will be taken as a part of slice. Okay, so this will give, suppose x is equal to amazing, this is what? String, and this is for nth character, this is for nth character, this is for nth character of this will take nth, whatever we are going to define, what's the value we are going to define, it will give that character. So 1 colon 6 colon 2, so every second character it will print, every second starting from 1 is what? M. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 is what? M. And after M, second character. So M 1, M is what? 1 1 2, second character, then 1 2, second character, M 1 2, Z is second character, I 1, and N is second character, MJ. And like that, one example I have given. Another example, -7 colon -3 3. -7 is A, -3 is I, and third character 1 2 3 Z, then 1 2 3. It is beyond the limitation. -3 is last, so beyond the last value, so under the last value it will print, so A and Z.